Hey guys, it's Box Gaming here, and today we are doing another episode on Roblox Jailbreak, the rocket fuel update with Key1979. Shout out to him for playing with me, and let's get into this. If you guys are new to my channel, please leave a like on the videos, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and if you could, try getting another friend to subscribe and leave a like. The more views, the more subscribers, the more likes, the better. I really appreciate if you guys could leave a like on the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. It really means a lot to me. So let's get into this, and we're gonna get rolling. Karanya. Karanya. Hi. Can you keep... Why weren't you talking?
Long story.
A little help here, please.
What?
I'm over by being chased by 15 cops here, and literally being shot to death.
Okay, are you doing you know
What?
what?
I'm videoing right now, yeah. I'm gonna die.
Wait, did I just say your name?
Yeah, you're able to. I already leaked my first name.
How about you just stop, then start again?
No, I can't stop right now or else my game glitches out.
Fine.
No! No, 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 no!
Okay, I'm just...
Keep shooting me, please kill me, please kill me, please kill me, please kill me. Don't arrest me, don't arrest me, don't.
Hey,
Yes! Don't arrest me, don't arrest me.
where are you right now?
Yes! City criminal base. Yes! The idiots killed me. There was one guy about to arrest me and the other guy killed me. That was so funny. Have anything to say? Dude, have anything to say to YouTube?
That's what you get when you try... Come on, he arrested me and I killed him. Do you see he collected my $200 bounty?
Yep.
And I was a prisoner. How could I get a bounty from a prisoner?
Oh, you're still a prisoner? I'm already out.
I was still a prisoner when he got me.
Would you like me to pick you up?
No, I'm gonna get some guns.
I have a Bugatti. Want me to come pick you up by pros?
Maybe soon?
We're all wait. There's a bunch of criminals waiting for the...
Not my glitching capabilities, because sometimes I'm not as good. Okay, so did you... Whatever, start without me.
Hold on, I'm gonna just see if the glitch works for me. Okay, go like this. Crawl.
Okay, I glitched in. 1 and 2.
Doesn't work for me.
Hey, glitched in. Good.
Dude, it doesn't work for me.
What glitch?
The glitch that Creekcraft showed.
And which one was that?
The one that opened the jewelry store doors. I've been bamboozled. I've just been cheated. Glitch doesn't even work for me. Oh, it does work for me. That definitely works.
Okay, just listen to the. Oh, no, you don't, cop. You don't. No, you don't.
Ah!
No. Whatever. Yeah, how about you pick me up?
Yeah, hold on.
I think I'm not so good at killing cops.
Okay, go, 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 go. Ah! Jeez! Where did you just come from? No. Go. Oh my god, I feel like I've just been cheated. There's literally just cops standing by the ladder.
Hey, I got 2 guns. I'm gonna go get my third. And maybe I will finally escape for once.
Get a key card. Get up.
This shows how terrible I am at Jailbreak. Which is sort of surprising that I got the Bugatti. Don't you think?
I would rob the train if I wasn't waiting on this jewelry store robbery. I'm waiting for somebody else to whatchamacallit. Open that, yes. Rob without me, please rob without me. Yes. Okay, zoom in to first person. Click C.
No,
No, dang it.
why am I always arrested?
That's funny, actually, how you just got arrested again.
You know,
Ah.
I think I just shouldn't do my glitchies and try to get SWAT rifle or whatever it's called, I forgot. SWAT machine gun. Okay. Oh, I glitched in with tons of cops around.
No! Ah! This thing is so hard. Yes, got in! The door thing works, actually. Jeez. I did not think I'd actually get into the jewelry store doing that. That is so helpful. I'm going down the jewelry right now.
It's not working.
This guy looks so confused. This guy's like, what is it? This guy's like, how did you get in here?
Okay,
Go.
so you want me to show me how to do this glitch that you were ranting about?
Ow! That hurt. I have like no health left. Stupid cameras. I think I'm gonna be staying down here, the bottom area. Okay, let's punch at this. Punch at this. Punch at this. Punch at this. This is gonna be so. Okay, after I show you this glitch, we're gonna start pranking as policemen doing this. One of us will open the door for the other one. Okay. Okay, punch this. Look, by the time I got down here, they already had punched all the cases. So I just had to punch them all once. Except for this one case. Just need one more case. Punch. Punch it. There. 5,000 cash. Let's get back up. If you go over to the top of the jewelry store, I'll let you in. I'm already done. Dude, I got in. There was 2 people already up at the laser section by the time I got in. It takes a second if you don't have 2 people. Because you have to quickly get in before the doors close again. Because your legs activate the door because it thinks you're inside. And then also, are you over by the jewelry? Dude, are you over by jewelry? So guys, that's how you do that glitch. You can do that as a cop, criminal. Just don't be mean about using that. Key, where are you?
Still in prison on purpose.
Prison?
I'm still a prisoner, remember?
Okay. Jumping.
Have you wondered why I'm so poor?
What?
Have you wondered why I'm so poor?
How many cases can I buy with 32,000 cash? Okay, bye. Bye 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 bye. Rip jailbreak money. My money is glitching out so badly. It still thinks I have 16,000. What the heck?
I have a key card, by the way. I just killed a couple cops.
It says I have 19,000 when I open up the save thing. I already glitching out my game. I have 26 cases from 32. Gonna quickly go rob. So guys, what I'm trying to do here is, if you get enough cases, Key, how much cases do you have?
I have 240.
If you get like around about, I would say probably 500, 1,000, you get free rocket fuel. So guys, try it out. Send me cases. My username is monkeyboy179. Send me and key1979, monkeyboy179 and key1979. I'm the monkeyboy179. He's key1979. Send us cases. Show your love to our channel.
Our channel? Don't you mean
I have a problem with saying that. Dude, I have a problem with saying that.
Your channel.
I know.
Don't give credit to other people.
I didn't mean to say that. What the heck? Dude, my car is slow motion falling. This is sick. Over by Donut, it's slow motion coming down. I'm watching my car go slow motion falling.
I'm in a slot van.
Oh my gosh, it's slow motion flipping. What in the world? Get over to Donut. Dude, get to Donut now.
Did they hit the train?
No, it's over. No, I'm right over by Donut right now. My car is slow motion flipping without me even in it.
Okay, I see a train.
Where is it?
It's by Criminal Base.
Which one?
The one with the which one do you think?
Secret?
The
City.
train doesn't even go there.
I thought you meant close by it.
Rocket fuel fun! Wahoo! Yay, rocket fuel! I'm about to run out.
Whee!
I just lost all my rocket fuel.
Okay, what is happening to this train? Get on! No! Dude, it just flung me! What about you?
Nope.
Okay, I'm just opening one case for the fun of it.
It tried to fling me. I'm in a SWAT van. Where are you? Oh, there was just a cop that passed me in a Mini Cooper. And there's another dude. No.
And I see the cop with the Mini Cooper, he just slow motion fell out of the sky right on top of me. That hurt.
No! I just got arrested. I'm so stupid. Can I just give me a Casey shout-out? I mean, much whatever.
I don't care, Kanan, you just don't leak my last name.
Okay, okay, I just...
Dude, get your Volt bike, they can't catch you on it. I wish there was drifting on Volt bikes, honestly. Be really nice, though, if they added drifting on. Shout out to Key1979 for playing with me. Peace out, people. And see you next time. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment if you want me to play something else.